when you're going through the journey of learning a new skill, maybe starting something new, maybe you're going to the gym for the first time, maybe you have started to learn how to day trade, maybe you started making YouTube videos, whatever it is that you are doing that you want to improve at, you don't actually realize how much you're growing because you're living each day, one day at a time. And you're not looking back on your progress. And you don't actually realize how much you're fucking progressing because it happens quickly. But when you're living each day at a time, it doesn't seem like it's that quick. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to look back on some of my old videos. This is my very first video that I made. You can see the quality is much shittier. And see if you can hear it. If I say something, maybe.
Yo, what's good?
Today is August 14th.
August 14th.
And we had CPI today.
So this is the exact same mic. This is the exact same fucking $40 budget mic that I got. But I took the time to learn how to properly set the settings in OBS to make it sound like a high quality mic. This $40 mic, yes, you could still hear when I like touch it. It doesn't sound the greatest, but it sounds like a good quality mic.
And it looks like it came out pretty.
But it sounds like shit here.
Yeah, let's go into the chart to see what it really did.
Like this was maybe 20 minutes that I put into getting better at making videos, and it compounds. Every video that I make after I fixed it, the quality got better. And that's how I got a 15,000 view video. If the quality was like this, and I talked about wait, you can't see it. If the quality was like this, and I talked about the same shit, I literally made a video that was not similar, but I made a video and this is what it would look like. But instead, because I fixed the mic quality and I fixed the camera quality, I got a video with 16,000 views. Just because I took 20 minutes to change something to make myself better, and it compounds over time. Now you can relate that to your trading or whatever skill or whatever you're trying to get better at. Maybe you're going to the gym and you take 20 minutes to fully develop a workout plan, or you find the best exercises. That then compounds. You're doing higher quality exercises in the gym. Maybe you're eating healthier. You're eating more correctly. You're learning how to bulk and cut. That compounds over time. So that's something you won't see at first. You won't see when you first make that change how much it actually changes, how much you actually progress from it. Just making videos while stuff isn't even loaded. Like, it's just little tweaks that you get time after time. Even the way that I speak. You can hear the way that I speak. It's not fluent. I don't sound comfortable doing this. And now I feel like I do. Maybe obviously I can continue to get better. Maybe not stutter at all, or try to speak even more. I don't even know effectively, but
Okay, there you go.
this is how you get better. It's just small tweaks over time. They compound and they add up.
Okay.
Also, my charts are ugly as hell. Why is there green wicks?
No, he's not. Yeah. Let's clear some of this.
Those look like some open bullish for value gaps right there.
Came into
I
equilibrium.
don't want to see a retrace.
Unicorn form. Bearish SMT. I would be looking.
I actually did take a trade.
Oh, okay.
That's crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna put this up.
This actually looks pretty good, honestly. We had SMT. We swept the highs. We have a change in the state of delivery. Like, this is actually a trade that I would take. I'm not going to lie. This looks pretty good. And this video, like, no wonder I got 12 views. It's just shit quality. If we look at my channel, we can see that the thumbnails. Let's see the thumbnail of that video. Who the fuck is clicking on these, bro? Who the fuck is gonna click on this? Wow, I don't even know what. Why was my forehead so large? Like, who would actually watch these videos, my brother? And now, even though it's just a screenshot, it still is more. It's easier to click on. I'm actually getting views. Maybe that's because I have more subscribers, but like, I think this is a good thumbnail. I think this one is too. I do like the more simple screenshots a little more with a better title, but it's still better. You see how I reuse the thumbnail? But it adds up. Like,
Want to make like a little journal entry for myself.
you can hear the quality. You can go watch this video if you want, but the quality is just so much better. It's just so much better. And even though it only has 237 views, I don't really give a shit. That's not what I'm making. I'm not right now making these videos to get views and subscribers. But that's why I've progressed so much, is because I haven't been focusing on getting views and subscribers. I've been just making videos for the fuck of it, honestly. I've been trading to try to get money, to try to change my life, but I haven't been making YouTube videos to try to do that. And look how much I've progressed without even trying that hard. So, I mean, maybe that's I wouldn't say that's necessarily the cheat code, is not focusing on it, because obviously focusing on it, but not focusing on the monetary stuff, the subscribers, the views, the money. When you actually worry about how to make the quality better, how to make the overall, the time you put in better. So maybe you optimize your workout. Maybe I'm trying to think how I'd relate that to trading. Maybe you backtest for only an hour instead of backtesting for 5 hours, but you put in a high quality hour of backtesting, because quality is overall better than quantity. And that's all I have for this video. Isn't the quality so much better? I can see it in my little OBS preview. And this is just my iPhone, but the quality is so much better. And listening to this video too, it just sounds so good. Love you, bro.
Scrolling. Just like.
Nah, he's talking about scrolling, but just sounds so much cleaner. And I'm going to continue to get better as well. I promise that. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you look back on your journey. Maybe even start recording videos. Like I was recording videos before I even planned on posting them on YouTube. Just record them, journal them for yourself, so you can look back and realize how much you've actually progressed. Because it motivates you. And when you actually get there, you can go back, look at the videos, look at your journal entries, and see that you actually fucking did it. That thing that you were striving so hard for, that thing that you put so much time and effort into, you actually fucking got there. And when you go back and you look at what you were saying when you wanted to get there, I promise you'll cry your fucking ass off. I promise that, and I promise I will. Probably watching this exact video when I get to where I want to go in 6 months, I'm probably going to cry my ass off too. And I'm so ready for that. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and thank you. Peace out.